Maya marahetukire hindi ya mucemanio uria urahariririo ni kambuni ya KPLC na anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini rwa ugendi mwena wa gicua-ini kumenya mathina maria aigithia maragerera mwena wa gicua-ini kuumana na motungata ma kambuni yo kuria marageire na mweke wa kwiiturura. Atongoretio ni munini wa muikariri gitwa wa Philomena Mwavala, aigithia aya marauga makoretwo magithingata kambuni ya KPLC igacirithie motungata mayo no gutire undu monete ugicenjia.
Businesses are in loss, no pre-information if there will be power cutter, and this is causing problems for many stakeholders, billions of money. We are losing money because of issues and there is no information. So I will just be my suggestion. If there will be communication to businesses before, 6 hours, 12 hours before that, we'll have a power cutter so that we prepare, because we've been having complaints from our clients. Someone is in a shower, there is no power.
If you call customer care, sometimes somebody is holding a phone, it's a private phone. So if you go and complain, there is no customer care.
Ruhonge rwa uthomi wa mita cia thitima niruo rukuire mburithatha ukirikana ruthomaga mita cia mahuthiro ma thitima uria gutagiriire na kainge biru cia thitima ikoragwo ciongereirwo gukira njano. Kuumana na motungata moru riu muingi ucungirirwo kuhuthira mamillioni ma mbeca gwetha njira ingi cia gwetha hinya wa kuhuthika undu uria urahotomithia baita iria mathondekaga. Ona kuri uguo murugamiriri wa KPLC mwena wa gicua-ini Hicks Waswa nieranire ni mekugacirithia motungata mao mwena ucio.
We have heard loud through a microphone that there is a problem in receiving those calls. If there's a way we would have put that mic in Masharia's ear, then we would have done it. That is why we are here, to get that feedback.
Taoni ya Marindi ni imwe ya taoni iria agendi a kuuma na nja wa bururi maceraga muno na oho ni ucungiriirie aigithia aingi ruhonge-ini rwa mikana.
Mr. Philemon Mwavala.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV getwo Wanjiru wa Mwangi.